Now we're going to do some zoo phonics and some phonology. First we'll do zoo phonics, so that means we're going to do our letter names and letter sounds. Let's see if you remember. Are you ready? A. A says ah, apple. B. B says b, ball. C. C says k, cactus. D. D says d, dive. E. E says elephants. F. F says finger. G. G says gulp. H. H says hand. I says igloo. J. J says jump rope. K. K says key. L. L says lollipop. M. M says N. N says no. O. O says octopus. P. P says penguin. Q. Q says queen. R. R says rainbow. S. S says snake. T. T says ready? Time out. U. U says up. V. V says volcano. W. W says watch. X. X says x. Ready? X. Y. Y says yes. Z. Z says zipper. Nice job, everyone. All right, last time, I don't know if you remember, but our letter was the letter A. Do you remember how we wrote that? Let me see. Let me see your pencils in the air. Ready? You're going to write it with me while I write it on the board. Uppercase first. So we do diagonal line down, back to the top, diagonal line down, and then cross in the middle. Nice job. I'm going to wipe that off. So that was uppercase. Now we'll do lowercase. So we need our circle with a tail. Are you ready? Here we go. Pencils up in the air. I want you to write it in the air while I draw it on my board. Are you ready? Okay. Circle with the tail. Nice job, everyone. Okay. Today's letter is L. Do you remember what L says? L says L, lollipop. And this one is super easy to write. Are you ready to write it with me? Let me see your pencils in the air. Okay, I'm going to do it in the air with you first, and then I'll write it on my board. So uppercase, we do a line down, and then a line across the bottom, just like this. Now lowercase is super easy. It's the easiest. You see it? That's just one line down. Ready? Pencils up. One line down. That's lowercase l. All right, I'm going to write it on my board. Are you ready? Whoops, turned it the wrong way. Here we go. Uppercase first. This one right here. Let's do it together. Pencils up. Are you ready? Here we go. Start at the top. Line down. Line across. L. L says L. All right, let's do our lowercase l. Are you ready? Do you remember what it looks like? Here we go. Pencils up. Start at the top. Line down. And there's our lowercase l. L says L. Lollipop. Nice job. All right, I'm going to wipe that off. And whoops. And we're going to switch gears here. That means we're going to do something else. And we are going to do some phonology. Let me flip back here. I see. Okay, we already did our letters. Now we're going to do some more rhyming words. Are you ready to repeat after me? Okay, here we go. I'll say it first. Rain, train. Your turn. Now my turn. My, try. Your turn. Good. Say ran, fan. Your turn. Now say mice, nice. Your turn. I'm going to say top, hop. Your turn. Last is sock, block. Now your turn. Nice job. Okay, now I want you to give me the beginning sound of the words that I say. Do you remember how to do that? I'm going to shake my hand when I say the beginning sound of the word. I'm going to make a curve up and down to show the whole word. So when I get over here, I'm done saying it. Are you ready? Vase. What sound did you hear when I shook my hand right here? Do you remember? Let's listen again. Vase. Now you say that sound. V. Good job. What about yes? Yes. What sound did you hear right here when I shook my fist really hard? Go ahead and say it. Yeah. Next we have table. Table. What sound did you hear at the beginning? Good job. Next we have cut. Cut. What sound do you hear at the beginning? Let's say it together. Let's see, our next word is bell. Bell. What sound do you hear at the beginning? Right here, ready? Let's say it together. That's right. Good job. Wag. Wag. What sound do you hear at the beginning when I shake my fist really hard? Let me say it one more time. Wag. Tell me that sound. Let's say it together. Nice job. All right, next one. Zip. Zip. What sound do you hear at the beginning? Z. Good job. How about big? Big. What's that sound you hear? Let's say it together. Good job. All right, we have dig. Dig. What sound do you hear at the beginning of that word? Let's say it together. D. Good job. Last one. It might be a little tricky, so listen really good, okay? Fox. Fox. What sound do you hear at the beginning when I shake my hand really hard? Let's say it together. Nice job. All right. We're going to put these words together. Do you remember how we did that last time? We used our fists each for one word, and then we put them together to make a new word. So 2 words, put them together to make one whole word. Are you ready? All right, here we go. I have Sunday, Sunday. Tiptoe, tiptoe. Snowflake, snowflake. Keyboard, keyboard. Something, something. Driveway, driveway. Bathrobe, bathrobe. Sandbox, sandbox. Doorbell, doorbell. Backbone, backbone. Nice job, everyone. I bet you're getting a real good hang of it, aren't you? Okay, now we're going to take these words apart. Are you ready to help me with that? These are words that are already one word, and we're going to take them apart to make 2 separate words. Okay? So first I have playground. Playground. We had playground. Doghouse. Doghouse. We had doghouse. Cardboard. Cardboard. We had cardboard. Haircut. Haircut. We had haircuts. Outside. Outside. We had outside. Footprints. Footprints. We had footprints. Now snowman. Snowman. We had snowman. Now pickup. Pick up. We had pickup. Now moonlight. Moonlight. We had moonlight. Last one, lipstick. Lipstick. We had lipstick. Nice job, you guys. These can be really tricky. All right. Now, I want to teach you a nursery rhyme. Are you ready? This one's called Baa Baa Black Sheep. So I want you to repeat after me. And we'll only learn a little bit today, and then we'll learn a little bit more tomorrow, so that by the end of the week, we can sing the whole thing together. Are you ready? All right, repeat after me. Baa Baa Black Sheep. Ready? Your turn. Baa Baa Black Sheep. My turn again. Have you any wool? Your turn. Have you any wool? I'm going to start at the top and do it again, okay? So my turn first. Baa Baa Black Sheep. Your turn. Baa Baa Black Sheep. Now my turn. Have you any wool? Now your turn. Have you any wool? Nice job. Well, that's it for today. I hope you had fun. I know I did. And I hope you have a beautiful day today and that you remember ways to stay healthy. I will talk to you next time. Bye.